All right, it's Wednesday, August 27th, just following up on Meta. You can see after buying it here at this middle blue line, as described in the first video, it has moved up kind of to the midway point of that first bar as it hopefully moves up to the highs of the day. I was just able to scale out over there. I bought the Meta at 749.99. I just scaled out at 752, 2 points higher. So it lowers my break-even stop kind of down, to about the lows of the day, somewhere down here if this whole thing should fail. So I was trying to play that key reversal at this lower blue line. I discussed that on the first video, how we took out liquidity, lower lows. I wanted to see how it reacted there. If it could paused or just continued, then I'm not really watching it. But I was looking for that big green bar for a potential entry. It formed. I bought it here at this middle blue line. It has continued higher. I scaled out, and now at no risk, I get to see if this becomes the reversal back to the highs of the day, which is the target. And again, on the daily chart, it's a type of thing where we had a reversal day on Friday, a couple of days of pausing here, kind of the midway point of that bar, took out the liquidity of the lows of yesterday and immediately wanted to bring in buying in what is an overall uptrend, in place here on this stock at new highs, kind of coming down to fill in this gap. But, ultimately at some point expecting it to resume back to the upside. Of course, we need the weekly chart to turn, green in some form or have an inside bar and then break up. So we might not get there this week, but it's possible we get through the open and we have kind of a green reversal developing here. But the weekly chart is still consolidating, but nevertheless, I like that short-term look on the way it brought in the buying here in this gap, the way it's just pulled back for 3 days, and then the way it took out liquidity and, ultimately had a nice green reversal bar here. So I bought it here, scaled out. Now it's all at no risk to see if we can get some kind of, reversal looking day by the end of the day. So our next target, since we've moved up here to the midpoint of this first bar, is the first bar high close of yesterday. And we'll see maybe if we can get an outside, and if that happens, we can get that outside bar, taking out the highs of yesterday as well. So all at no risk right now. Meta, definitely continuing higher after kind of probing these lows down here.